Hey friends, welcome back to CodeOps Trek. Today, we are going to explore how to deploy a React application on GitHub for free. This is a valuable skill for learning purposes and showcasing your projects. So let's get started. In this video, we'll be using a project called Recipe Radar. This is a responsive web and mobile application that allows authenticated users to search for food recipes. Users can explore a variety of recipes, detailed information about each one, and enjoy a seamless experience across both web and mobile platforms. The app features a powerful recipe search function, allowing users to find recipes based on ingredients, cuisine type, and dietary restrictions. It also provides detailed recipe information, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and cooking instructions. The app is fully responsive, ensuring that it looks and works great on any device. Whether you are on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, Recipe Radar adapts to provide an optimal user experience. The design is crafted to be intuitive and accessible, no matter the screen size. Now, let's dive into the process of building and deploying this React app to GitHub Pages. Before we start building and deploying, if you are using Bootstrap in your project, you'll need to add a few scripts and styles to ensure your website is mobile responsive. Check out our blog for the code. The first step is to create a GitHub repository for your project. Go to GitHub and create a new repository. We will name our repository as Recipe Radar Deploy. Optionally, you can add a description for your project. Once you are done, click Create Repository to set it up. Second step is to set up your GitHub Pages URL. This URL will be used to host your deployed app. The format you need to follow is https://your-username.github.io/your app name. For our Recipe Radar project, the URL will be https://codeopstrek.github.io/recipe-radar-deploy. This is the address where your live application will be accessible once deployed. Third step is to modify your package.json file. Open package.json and add a new key called homepage. Set the value of this key to the URL you created in step 2. This ensures that your app is correctly linked to your GitHub Pages site. In fourth step, add the following lines to the scripts section of your package.json. These scripts will handle the building of your project and deploying it to GitHub Pages. In fifth step, install the GHPages package. Open your terminal and run the following command to install GHPages. This package is required to deploy your React app to GitHub Pages. It might take a moment to install, so be patient. In sixth step, initialize Git, add your files and commit the changes. Open your terminal and run the following commands in your terminal. Replace repository URL with the URL of your GitHub repository. These commands will initialize Git, stage your files, and commit them. First, initialize a new Git repository with Git in it. Next, stage all your files for commit by running git add dot. Now, commit the staged files with a message using git commit-m, initial commit. Connect your local repository to the remote GitHub repository using git remote add origin repository URL. Finally, let's deploy your app to GitHub Pages. Run the following command in your terminal to build your project and deploy it to GitHub Pages. This command will create a production-ready build of your React app and publish it to your GitHub Pages site. Congratulations! You've successfully deployed your React application to GitHub Pages. You can now share your live project with others by visiting the URL you set up. Now the deployment is complete, go to GitHub to check your app. It may take a couple of minutes for the site to be published. Once it's successfully published, head over to the Settings tab in your repository, and under the Pages section, you'll find the link to your deployed project. Click on the link to visit your published site. Now, your React app is live on GitHub Pages. Our Recipe Radar app, with all its pages and functionality, is working perfectly. And that's how you can deploy your static React app on GitHub for free. You can now share this link with your friends or include it in your resume to showcase your project. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.